Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the shoe bag from the company JHX. Now the brand is JHX, and I'm assuming that's short for the seller. Again, the seller JUHEXIN. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings just to kind of remember things I've bought in the past, and in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item, they can get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So first they give you, let's look at some of the things. You're going to get a couple accessories. This is just a two-way carabiner, basically to allow you to hang the shoe bag. They have one already included, so this other one's kind of a bonus. The bag is Oxford cloth. It is waterproof. It is washable. Got some metal ends here to allow it to breathe. It can hold up to 2 pairs of shoes, so you'll notice that there's 2 different sides here. You can put 1 pair of shoes here. And then you've got a second side that you can put a second pair of shoes. Give you a carrying strap. Mentioned 2 pairs of shoes. It can hold up to a 13.5-inch shoe. So if you've got a large foot size, you don't need to worry about it. Nice, you've got some snaps on the side. If you're only looking to use one side of it, you can simply snap the other side closed. Plenty of storage space. Loop at the top to be able to hang it. Anyway, really nice. Feels like good quality. I was going to say the zippers are very responsive. Sometimes you get this stuff and the zippers are absolutely horrible on them. These are nice and thick and sturdy. That's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.